Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 8th, and this is my recap of the top three most popular pairs, which is the euro dollar, pound dollar, and gold. We're going to take a look at those on the 1 hour time frame just to kind of recap what happened today and what I think will happen in the future. But also, before we do that, don't forget to join my free Discord group, the trading group. The link for that is in the video description and at the end of this video. It's 100% free to join. And also, if you'd like to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, definitely do so if you'd like to get access to all the benefits listed below for only $30 per month. Before we get started on the analysis, let's take a look at Forex Factory to see what we got coming out for news. We have FOMC meeting minute news coming out basically now. Now, it depends on what these notes say from the last FOMC meeting. If the notes give hints about what is likely to happen at the next interest rate news, then we might get a nice big move tonight. If they don't, then potentially it will not be much of a mover at all. Also, we got retail sales for the Aussie this evening, which definitely will move the Aussie pairs. And we have Chinese CPI and PPI. And I don't trade any Chinese pairs, but the Chinese news definitely can affect the Aussie and the Kiwi because they're so much tied to the Chinese economy. So definitely keep a close eye on the Aussie Kiwi pairs this evening. No dollar news at all tomorrow, but that doesn't mean there will not be moves on the dollar pairs. It just means that there will not be any news-driven moves on the US dollar pairs tomorrow. So, anyways, definitely make sure you watch my morning video if you want to see my, full top-down analysis. But we never today on the euro dollar, we never got a breakup structure at a Fibonacci level like I was talking about this morning. We definitely did get a little bit of a bounce, but that move up looks very corrective to me. It looks to me like if anything, it's going to go down again. Now it could be a wave five. It could go down to the 78% and then reverse break structure, giving you a chance to go long. I personally am not going to take it as a long. I think it could be an ABC correction, but I personally would much prefer to just wait for more sorting opportunities. Why? Because every single higher time frame is in a downtrend, and not only a downtrend, but a strong downtrend. When the higher time frames are in a strong downtrend, even though the shorter time frames, like the 1 hour, looks like it needs to go up, oftentimes what happens is it just keeps on drifting down, which is why I would much prefer to just be short and continue to look for shorts. So keep an eye on your fib levels. Keep an eye out for a double bottom and a break of structure. Moving on to the pound dollar. Pound dollar had a very strong move to the downside today. I definitely personally wouldn't be trying to go long on this. We are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement from the daily time frame. So if it does, make like a double bottom and then a break of structure, you could try to go long on it. Possibly it will make a nice move to the upside. For me personally, I will not be trying to go long until we get a break of structure and then a pullback. Then I definitely will go long at the end of that pullback after we get a break of structure. Because every single higher time frame, just like the euro dollar, is in a very strong downtrend. What happens when you're in a very strong downtrend? You'll go to the 1 hour time frame and you'll expect to see something like this. But in reality, oftentimes what happens is you get something like this and it just keeps on going down. I personally am only looking for shorts, and I'm going to continue to only look for shorts until the market tells me otherwise. Moving on to gold. Gold definitely did go up a little more today than I expected. I am still short on gold. We didn't really hit a Fibonacci level, but we definitely made a pretty impulsive move to the downside this evening. Now, if this goes down and breaks structure with momentum, then I still think it could be the end of an ABC correction. And if it does break structure with momentum, then I definitely would take it as a short, and I would continue to hold my shorts and potentially even look for more shorts. Now, on the other hand, if it doesn't break structure, then be very cautious because it could just keep on going up. Or if it goes down and breaks structure, but then like instantly rejects structure and turns back up, that also might even be another opportunity to go long. Technically, if you are trading, like the 1 hour time frame and below, you should be looking for longs. If you're a swing trader like I am, then you definitely could be trying to go short. But until we actually get an impulsive move down and a break of structure with momentum, any shorts you take, you definitely need to be careful because any shorts you take might not be actually the continuation of the downtrend. If it breaks correction with momentum, likely it is the end of a correction and likely it will just keep on going down. If not, I would look for longs on shorter time frames. Now, like I said, definitely don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is actually linked at the end of this video and in the description. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to all the benefits listed below for only $30 per month. So anyways, I'll talk to everybody in the morning. And as always, thank you and happy trading to everyone.